Hi there, my name is Charlotte Patrick and I'm an industry analyst specialising in telco. I'm really pleased to be co-hosting an upcoming webinar with Vitria. As an industry analyst, I am interested in what telcos should be doing with automation, AI and analytics, and then how much cash they can make. And this webinar uses some of my work on the value of automation and intelligence to a telco to look first at the bigger picture of where the value is for telco from these new technologies. This highlights the importance of adding automation into assurance, both in the area of AI ops and going forward into self-healing capabilities. So after this, I shall be drilling down into the broader picture of assurance needs, particularly as we move into a more automation intensive areas such as 5G, again discussing the potential financial value for telcos. I'm then going to hand over to Andrew Colby from Vitria to provide some more depth and case studies, which I think will be interesting to hear. So just to give you a small taste of what I'm going to present, this diagram is one from my ongoing research items. It shows a summary of the calculations of the value of automation, AI and analytics for an average telco. And to give you an idea of the kind of methodology I'm using, I have a spreadsheet exercise which breaks down a typical telco into 250 of its largest processes and considers where automation, AI and analytics is likely to bring benefit in future. The exercise then calculates what this means in terms of financial value, both revenue uplift and capex and opex decreases. And you're currently seeing the total value on the y-axis split between some of the major areas of the telco. I've chosen to keep this diagram quite simple today, so there are no dollar values, but the total's around about 1.3 billion, and that is yearly impact from an average telco. So by average, I mean around about $15 billion in revenues a year. As you'd expect, about a third of the total value is in the network, making large capex and opex expenditures more efficient. And in the webinar, I will dig down into some more of the detail and give you some general guidance on where the value will come from and some more detail, particularly about the areas of assurance and AI ops. I do hope that this sounds interesting, and please do join me and the team from Vitria on Thursday, 26th of October.